Hi, how are you, my students? I want to explain Unit 6 in Science Grade 5, the Sun, the Earth, and the Moon for you. First, the Moon, the Earth, and the Sun. The Sun is the biggest star. It's the main source of light. Earth is a planet, reflects the sunlight. Moon also reflects sunlight. It's made of rocks. The biggest body is the sun, then the earth, then the moon. The earth moves around the sun, and the sun and the moon move around the earth. The earth moves around the sun in an orbit, and also the moon moves around the earth in an orbit. What's the meaning of orbit? Orbit is a path, tilted path, small body like the moon here move around biggest body or bigger body, the earth. Here, sun in the center of the solar system, the earth move or rotate around the sun in its path, in its orbit, and here the moon move around the earth in an orbit also. Now, the moon need time, how many time to complete one rotation around the earth? The moon need 28, sometimes 29 days to complete one rotation around the earth. And the earth need 1 year, 12 months, or 365 quarter days to complete one revolution around the sun. That means the earth has two movements. The first movement around itself and the other around the sun. We say the meaning of the orbit, the path taken when the body move around a larger body in space, example moon move around the earth and the earth move around the sun. Now, the earth has two movements as we said. The first movement called rotation on its axis around itself. The axis is an imaginary line extended from North Pole to South Pole. The Earth rotates around it. How many days the Earth need to complete one rotation on its axis? It need 1 day, it need 24 hours. Okay, and the Earth, we say, it has another movement revolution around the sun. It need 1 year to complete one revolution around the sun. Now, rotation. What's the difference between rotation and revolution? Rotation movement the body on its axis, like the movement of the earth on its axis around itself. Revolution, the movement of planet around the sun in an orbit, like the movement of the earth around the sun. How many days the earth need to complete one rotation on its axis? It needs 24 hours. But revolution, to complete one revolution around the sun, need 12 months, 365 quarter days, or 1 year. Now, does the sun move? All of us ask this question. Does the sun move? It appeared to move, but really it moves? The answer no. The sun doesn't move. But we see it appear to move. Why? Because the earth moves around it. How? Day and night form. Day and night form because the earth moves around itself. The half of day that face the sun, it's day, and the half of the earth that back of the sun, it's night. Day and night. This face the sun, this back of the sun. Now the sun appear to rise above the horizon. What's the meaning of horizon? Horizon is the line between the earth and the sky. If the sun appears to rise above the horizon, it's sunrise at or in the east, and the sunset in the west when it sinks below horizon. Here above horizon, rise above horizon, that means it's rise. Here the sun sink below horizon, that means it's set, the sun sets. In which direction? In west. Now the day length change from summer to winter. You know, in summer day longer than winter. Why? How it happened? Now, when the sun faced the half of the earth, it's light. Look here, there is here line called equator. This divide the earth to two division, northern and southern. If we look to northern, if we look to the day, morning mean at northern side, it's shorter than night. When the day shorter than night, it is winter. Down in southern, the day longer than night, it's summer. Here in this diagram, the sun faced this the side of the earth, here day and here night. If we look, where's equator? Here equator. This line is equator. Divide the earth northern side and southern. Now northern, in northern the day, look here, the day from here up all this day longer than night, this night. That mean up is summer, but down in southern, this part is day, but this part is night. Day shorter than night, it's winter. Here in southern winter, in northern summer. Now solar system. What's the meaning of solar system? Solar system consists of sun and stars and 80 planets and also many moons. The planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The planets that close to the sun, very hot planets. The Earth, the third planet, it's suitable to life because it has water and its position is middle. But the far planets very very cold. It's not suitable for life. And each planet has moons. The Earth has one moon, and the other planets, some has two, the other has many moons. Some planets have 12 moons, and there's other bodies in the universe, in the solar system. Now, what is the universe? The universe is a whole space. It consists of stars in huge groups, each group called galaxy. That means galaxy is a huge groups of stars. Like here, these are huge groups of stars called galaxy. Now, the scientists used an instrument to see and to study the stars. This instrument called telescope. Telescope made of a huge mirror or mirror. Some telescopes are huge, but telescopes made of mirror. This mirror focus the light and make distant object like stars look bigger and brighter. And the mirror inside the telescope focus the light of this object. This is the telescope figure. We look from here and there's inside its mirror focus the light and let the stars brighter and bigger. Thank you very much. Good luck.